Alright, here's one of the most awesome restaurants I think I've ever been to in my whole life. Look at this. Got a little, got some fish here. Waterfalls flowing off in the distance. All the way around. Above us we have over here is like a area by the water. You just sit by. And over here, really cool. I'm gonna go this way. Here's the entrance of the place here. And here, amazing. We got this kind of here. Got beautiful flowers. Check those out. Beautiful flowers. And people. Beautiful place. Check this out. Do a little overview real fast. Water. Bathrooms. The bathrooms are super cool. I'm not gonna go videotaping them, but here's the little water area. Waterfalls right there. Got my